Today I'm taking you to one of the most picturesque places in Mallorca, the Formentor Peninsula, where majestic cliffs meet the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a true paradise for lovers of breathtaking views and photography. Subscribe to TripNavigo to discover more extraordinary places with us in Majorca, Spain, Poland, and all over Europe. In the video description, you'll find links to the most exciting travel deals to Majorca. Be sure to check them out and plan your dream trip. Formentor is a remarkable peninsula located on the northeastern tip of Majorca, in the municipality of Pollença. This is where rugged cliffs rise hundreds of meters above sea level, offering views that will leave you speechless. It is famous for its scenic winding road through the Serra de Tramuntana mountains, for viewpoints such as Mirador Es Colomer, and for the lighthouse at the very end of the cape. Formentor is also home to the idyllic Formentor Beach, a narrow strip of white sand framed by pine trees and crystal-clear turquoise water. It's one of the most recognizable and photographed places in all of Majorca, attracting artists, writers, and travelers from all over the world for decades. The best time to visit Formentor is outside the peak tourist season, as in summer, access to the peninsula is restricted. From June to September, daytime car traffic is heavily limited and controlled, resulting in long queues and difficulties getting there. If you want to enjoy a peaceful drive and enter with your own car without hassle, go between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. At this time, the roads are empty, and watching the sunrise from the Formentor cliffs is an unforgettable experience. Be sure to make it all the way to the very end of the peninsula, to Cap de Formentor. Here you'll find the famous lighthouse and one of the most stunning viewpoints in all of Majorca. The road is quite challenging, full of hairpin turns and steep climbs. But don't worry, you can do it, and the views will reward every twist and turn. You may also encounter wild goats wandering freely in the area, often posing for tourists' photos. It's truly a unique way to end your Formentor trip. On your way to Formentor, make sure to stop at the Es Colomer viewpoint. This majestic cliff drops steeply straight into the turquoise sea and is one of Majorca's most iconic landmarks. The viewing platform offers spectacular rock formations and endless Mediterranean horizons, a perfect spot for photos and a moment of awe at the power of nature. Is Formentor worth visiting? Absolutely. It's one of those places that stays in your memory for a long time. A blend of majestic cliffs, azure waters, the scent of Mediterranean forests, and unforgettable viewpoints makes every kilometer worth the drive. We invite you to Majorca, an island full of sunshine, spectacular views, and magical places like Formentor. In the video description, you'll find links to the best travel deals to help you easily plan your dream trip. Be sure to watch our other videos from Majorca and Spain. You'll discover charming towns, beaches, and landmarks worth visiting. Subscribe to TripNavigo and travel with us through the most beautiful corners of Europe.